Hello YouTube. I was just checking out the parts for sale on Facebook, car parts group, and I saw an old transmission cooler, brand new in the box, and I figured, man, I really need one of those because I have an aluminum radiator in the Ford right now that I'm installing, and it doesn't have an internal oil cooler like the original. So I was just writing to the guy, and I realized I have one of those. And it's been pulled out of some late model Jeep by a friend in the junkyard, and he gave it to me. So I figured let's just try to save it if we can. I don't know, I think the fins are a little dinged up and it's dirty and things, but if it works, it works, and it's free, so let's just check it out, see if we can save it. There it is. So yeah, I guess it's a dirty. Doesn't look too bad though. I think we can save it. Just want to straighten out those things. It really annoys me that it's all dinged up and not pretty. So let's see what it can do. Okay, looks like we're done. It's not perfect, but I'm glad I did it. And while I'm very much aware that I don't want to improve the performance of it at all, I think it's going to be much better if you happen to see it through the front grille of the car. It won't look too bad, and I think it's much better than just buying one and obtaining the same results. For now, it's going to be just fine, and I'm glad I did it. Got me busy for a couple hours, and that's it for today. Thank you.